Welcome to the Sirpatil family. This is Brijesh Sirpatil Sr. He wears many caps. Director of engineering at a biomedical startup. Bonsai enthusiast, master craftsman. But his favorite is daddy to our hero Ishan. Ishan has us all wrapped around his little pinky finger. According to Ishan's mom, he has the most beautiful eyes in the world. According to the world, Ishan is musical, charismatic, a lover of foreign cultures and languages, and autistic. Life has, in its own way, through challenges and miracles, dissected him, molded him, shaped him. It has glued him to himself and to the community, handcrafted him, readying him for his purpose. But above all, it is role models like the Indian President Dr. Abdul Kalam who have inspired him. Once Dr. Kalam shared a story about his own role model, Professor Satish Dhawan. In 1979, ISRO launched a satellite, or rockets, as Ishan calls them. But it crashed. Dr. Dhawan, the head of ISRO, the Indian Space Agency, sent the team home, called a press conference and said, "This is my fault. It is my responsibility." Next year, when the satellite launched successfully, it was Dr. Dhawan who went home and asked his team to hold a press conference and receive the applause. This is Ishan's favorite story. It taught him how to be a leader in life, how to take responsibility. It also made Ishan love launching rockets and his dad love making them. Pressure. Yes, there has been pressure. Surgeries, hospitalization, autism. So much. And yet, every pressure situation has been the launch pad, given him the thrust to launch higher and higher. Ishan often quotes Dr. Kalam, "To shine like the sun, you have to burn like the sun." Three, two, one, lift off. Shine, Ishan, shine. Shine like the sun. The path is strewn with love and laughter. We are blessed to go on this journey as Ishan hugs the skies, hearts, and lives. Thank you for being a part of our life, of our journey.